उसको क्या हो गया है यार? What's wrong with her bro? What's wrong with her bro? हमेशा गुस्से में क्यों रहती है? Why does she always stay in anger? मैं कैसे बता सकता हूँ? How can I tell you? How can I tell you? मुझे पता नहीं है. I have no idea. I have no idea. जाओ जाकर पूछ लो. Go and ask her. Go and ask her. मैं नहीं जाऊंगा पूछने. I will not go to ask. I will not go to ask. वह चिल्लाने लगती है. She starts shouting. She starts shouting. अब मैं क्या बोलूं? Now what do I say? Now what do I say? काश पहले वाला समय लौट आए. I wish the former time returned. अब पहले वाली बात कहाँ? Things are no longer the same as before. मुझे स्कूल के दिन अभी भी याद आती है. I still miss the days of school. मैं रोज सुबह स्कूल जाया करता था. I used to go to school every morning. मैं हमेशा फर्स्ट बेंच पर बैठता था. I always used to sit on the first bench. और बताओ तुम कैसे हो? Tell me more, how are you doing? Tell me more, how are you doing? मैं ही क्यों? आप क्यों नहीं? Why only I? Why not you? Why only I? Why not you? कम से कम उसे एक मौका तो दो. At least give a chance to him. कुछ लोग कभी नहीं सुधरेंगे. Some people will never improve. Some people will never improve. आपके कहने का मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? मैं तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I am not talking about you. I am not talking about you. माँ का आशीर्वाद ले लो. Fetch mom's blessings. Fetch mom's blessings. आपको कैसे पता चला? How did you get to know? How did you get to know? यहाँ कोई किसी का नहीं है. No one is anyone's here. No one is anyone's here. सब मतलब के यार हैं. All are selfish friends. All are selfish friends. किसी से कोई उम्मीद मत रखना. Don't expect anything from anyone. बस अपने आप पर भरोसा रखो. Just believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself. मुझे रोंदू लड़के पसंद नहीं है. I don't like BP boys. I don't like BP boys. लड़के को बहादुर होना चाहिए. The boys should be brave. The boys should be brave. काश मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता. I wish I were in your place. I wish I were in your place. खैर जो हो गया सो हो गया. Anyway, what is done can't be undone. Anyway, what is done can't be undone. अब बोलने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं. It's no use speaking now. It's no use speaking now. वह एक नंबर का लड़ाकू है. He is a snappish of first order. He is a snappish of first order. उसके बारे में न ही बोलो तो अच्छा है. It's better not to speak of him. वह कोई काम का नहीं है. He is good for nothing. He is good for nothing. तुम खरीद कर क्या करोगे? What will you do by purchasing? What will you do by purchasing? इस फोन में क्या कमी है? What is lacking in this phone? What is lacking in this phone? देखते ही देखते वह अमीर हो गया. He became rich in no time. He became rich in no time. मैं आज नहीं आ पाऊंगा. I will not be able to come today. I will not be able to come today. मुझे आज कहीं और जाना है. You can say I have to go to somewhere else today. I have to go to somewhere else today. ठीक है, जैसी आपकी मर्जी. All right as you wish. All right as you wish. अब मैं और बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. I can't tolerate anymore. I can't tolerate anymore. उसे सर मत चढ़ाओ. Don't give him a long rope. Don't give him a long rope. नहीं तो वो बिगड़ जाएगा. You can say or else he will get spoiled. Or else he will get spoiled. तुम्हें यह मजाक लग रहा है. कई बार आप ऐसे बोलते हैं. डू यू फाइंड इट फनी? डू यू फाइंड इट फनी? आज सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. इट्स बीन रेनिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग टुडे. इट्स बीन रेनिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग टुडे. इसका अपना ही एक मजा है. It has a feel of its own. It has a feel of its own. किस किस ने किस किस को क्या क्या दिया? Who gave what all to whom all? Who gave what all to whom all? उसे मांगने की आदत है. He is in the habit of asking. उसे समझना मुश्किल है. It's hard to understand him. It's hard to understand him.